Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever picked up a bottle of sunflower oil and paused to think, how did this golden liquid end up here? This isn't just any oil. It comes from endless fields glowing under the sun, packed with tall sunflowers, standing like golden soldiers. Their bright faces follow the sunlight all day, and hidden inside are tiny seeds holding powerful secrets. But what happens after those seeds are picked? How do they transform into this clean, clear, golden oil that millions rely on every single day? The journey is not just natural. It's also a mix of advanced machines, careful testing, and old-world farming. Every drop tells a story of sunlight, science, and care. So why do families around the world call it liquid gold? Stick around as we reveal how this everyday kitchen item goes through one of the most incredible transformations in the world of food. When it's time to harvest sunflowers, the fields look nothing like the golden sea you see in pictures. The bright yellow petals have dried up and fallen to the ground. The big flower heads now hang low, heavy with mature seeds. Their backs turn brown and crackly, a clear sign they're ready. Inside, the seeds have hardened, packed with nutrients and oil. Now, this is where the real action starts. On huge sunflower farms, workers don't pick flowers by hand. Instead, they use powerful harvesting machines. These machines roll through the fields and do everything in one smooth pass. They chop the heads, shake out the seeds, and collect them, fast and efficiently. This method not only speeds up the work, but also keeps the seeds clean, dry, and ready for the next stage. It's a perfect example of how farming and technology work side by side to bring food straight to our tables. Right after harvesting, the sunflower seeds are packed up and sent straight to the processing factory. Timing is crucial. Fresh seeds are more efficient to process, so every minute counts. At the factory, the journey begins with a thorough cleaning stage. Machines vibrate and shake the seeds to remove dust, bits of soil, and dried flower particles that came from the field. Air blowers and rotating sifters ensure that only clean seeds stay on the line. Next comes shelling. The seeds, each covered in a tough black shell, pass through high-speed shelling machines. These machines crack the shells gently without damaging the kernel inside. What's left is a small ivory-colored core, the part rich in oil. But before moving forward, these kernels go through another round of screening to catch any leftover shells or debris. Only the cleanest, purest kernels make it past this point, ready for the next step: oil extraction. After cleaning and shelling, the sunflower kernels move into a heating chamber. But this heat isn't too strong. It's carefully controlled, just warm enough to soften the kernels so they release oil more easily, while keeping their nutrients and flavor safe. Once warmed, the real transformation begins. The soft kernels are poured into powerful machines called oil presses. These machines use massive metal rollers to crush the kernels with high pressure. The force is so intense that oil slowly starts dripping out, thick, golden, and pure. This stage is quiet but powerful. There's no chemicals, no shortcuts, just raw pressure squeezing out every healthy drop. What comes out is unrefined sunflower oil. It looks slightly cloudy, smells nutty, and holds all the natural goodness inside. After the golden oil is pressed out of the seeds, it doesn't go straight to the bottle. It first enters a lab where professionals test every batch. They check the smell, color, taste, and thickness to make sure the oil is clean, safe, and healthy. These tests follow strict food safety rules. If anything doesn't meet the mark, that batch gets held back. But if everything looks good, the oil heads to the next step: refining. In this phase, The oil is gently filtered to remove tiny leftover bits and make it clearer. Some oils already pass all tests in raw form, so they're packed as is. But refined or not, each drop goes through careful monitoring. This step ensures the oil that ends up in your kitchen is not only pure, but also safe, tasty, and ready for your next meal. Once the oil is ready, it moves into the bottling section of the factory. Giant machines carefully fill each bottle with the golden liquid, making sure the amount is perfect every time. Right after filling, the bottles are sealed tight to keep the oil fresh and safe. Then they head down a moving line where labels are added one by one. These labels aren't just for show. They carry all the important details: what's inside, where and when it was made, when it should be used by, and the safety marks it passed. The entire process is fully automatic, working fast and without mistakes, so thousands of bottles get packed and ready in a short time. After labeling, the oil bottles go through one more check before being packed into sturdy cartons. These boxes are then stacked and stored in clean, climate-controlled warehouses to protect the oil from heat and light. This helps keep the flavor fresh and the quality intact. From there, delivery trucks load up and begin their journey across the country, headed for supermarkets, grocery stores, restaurants, and local shops. Whether you're buying it at a neighborhood store or seeing it used by chefs in big kitchens, each bottle has taken this careful trip. It's a journey that ensures the oil stays pure, safe, and ready for your next meal. Sunflower oil isn't just something we cook with, it's a gift of nature. Inside every drop, you'll find vitamin E, healthy fats, and powerful antioxidants that help support the heart, skin, and immune system. Unlike heavy oils, sunflower oil has a light, clean taste that lets the natural flavor of your food shine. That's why it's used in everything, from daily stir-fries to gourmet dishes around the world. People choose it not only for how it tastes, but also for how it's made, with care, cleanliness, and high standards. It's the result of sunshine, hard work, and smart technology. Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or yourself, sunflower oil brings both nutrition and peace of mind to the table. So next time you drizzle sunflower oil in your pan, remember the fields, the machines, the workers, and the science behind it. It's not just oil, it's the result of nature and technology working together. If you found this journey fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos of everyday things you use but never knew this much about.